The first step to beautifying your yard is measuring for your project. No matter what color or height block that you are using, the measuring system will always be the same. Once you understand how to measure, you can use our project builder on our website that can help you with your specific project. Step 1 is measuring, and how you measure is determined by the shape of your edging project. If it's a straight line, it's simple. Just measure the length with a tape measure. If you have a curved line, we recommend laying down a piece of string in your desired shape and measure that length of string. If you are doing a circle, measure the interior diameter length. If you are doing a project with multiple flat sides and 90-degree turns, you'll want to measure from end to corner or corner to corner, recording each side separately. Keep in mind that the direction that you are installing your edging is important. We recommend starting on one end and installing in one direction, with the male end of your pieces laying in the direction in which you are installing. This will help in determining left or right turns. Record all of these measurements in feet plus inches and enter them into our project builder on the website. And if you want more help or more of a personal touch, reach out to our customer service. They're happy to help.